Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel RK SoftAcademy. So today in this tutorial session I'll discuss about one topic. The topic is differences between implicit and explicit cursors. Okay, this is very important question you can face in any interview. So I'll discuss about this topic and I will get to know about the detail what are the differences between implicit and explicit cursors. Okay, so implicit cursors basically opens implicitly by the Oracle engine automatically when a select statement is executed. Okay, I am repeating again. Implicit cursors open by the Oracle engine automatically when a user execute a select statement. Okay, like let's say I have a employee table. So whenever you are writing a query like select star from emp, so you can see it will display all the records from the emp table, right? So this process actually happens inside the Oracle SQL engine, SQL database, Oracle database, actually Oracle as a data server. Actually this execution happens. So whenever a user fire a SQL statement or execute a SQL statement, the Oracle engine automatically opens a cursor inside the server, and it execute the statement, and whatever the result it produce, get back to the user with the result. Okay, so this is the implicit cursor which automatically opens, execute and close by the Oracle server. Okay, so implicit cursor automatically open, do the processing of the user statement, select SQL statements or execute the user SQL statements, and it after execution it back the result to the user and close the implicit cursor automatically. Okay, so this is about the implicit cursor. And implicit cursor have 4 attributes like SQL percentage row count, SQL percentage is open, SQL percentage found, and SQL percentage not found. So I'll give a scenario. I'll tell you a scenario when this all these attributes can be used. Okay, so let's say I want to update a table, emp table. So I'm writing a PLSQL program and I'm making a update statement inside my PLSQL program, like update emp set salary equal to salary plus 1000. Okay, so if employee table has 14 records, so all the 14 records will be get updated. Okay, so how I can know the 14 records will be get updated? So I can know that the number of records getting affected by the attribute, that attribute is implicit cursor attribute, that is SQL percentage row count. Okay, so if I fire a update statement or insert statement or delete statement, whatever the DML operations I executed, I can found the number of rows affected by the DML statement using the implicit cursor attribute, that is SQL percentage row count. Okay, and other attributes are SQL percentage is open. So if is open, actually it automatically opens, executes and close the cursor, close the implicit cursor, so it will not properly actually can be seen by the any user. or next is SQL percentage not found and SQL percentage not found. So if any query, DML query, that is insert, update or delete, affects no rows, or like no rows can be affected by the query, so it will return the 0, that is number of affected rows are 0. So in that case, SQL percentage not found, that will actually not found any rows if a table is has no records. So SQL percentage found will be false, okay, and SQL percentage not found will be true if a table is empty table, okay. So this is the all the attributes of implicit cursors. And now coming to the explicit cursors. Explicit cursors actually opens by the user explicitly, and it has to be defined in the PLSQL program first, okay. So we have to declare the explicit cursor first, and then we have to work with explicit cursor. So its syntax to declare is cursor, then cursor name is select statement, okay, whatever the select statement you want to write or you need. So this cursor once declared, you can process this cursor using open the cursor. So you have to explicitly open the cursor in the begin, after the begin statement. So in declared portion you have to just declare the cursor, as I told, select cursor name is select your query, whatever the query, and in you have to write down then begin, and inside the begin you have to open the cursor, explicitly open the cursor, because explicit cursor opens explicitly by the user. So you have to write open, then cursor name, whatever the cursor name you provided at the declaration section, and then you have to fetch records one by one into your variable, okay. You have to declare variable for that. So you can fetch records inside the variable, and then you can process these records, either you can update or insert or delete, whatever you can do, process inside the loop, okay. So after opening the cursor you have to open a loop, and then you have to fetch cursor, fetch data from the cursor, and then you have to put exit when condition, because whenever the it process the last record of the cursor, it will exit automatically if you give the statement like exit when cursor name percentage not found. For each row processing, after the processing is finished, whenever the cursor found no record, it will exited from the loops, okay. So individual explicit cursor is used for individual row processing whenever the row set is stored in the memory location, okay, and you can process record by record, okay. So this is the explicit cursor, and it has also 4 attributes, that is cursor name, whatever your cursor name, percentage, row count. So whatever the DML operation get affected, how many rows get affected by the DML operation, you can just catch that number of records, how many records or rows is getting affected by using the cursor name percentage row count, okay. And you can display the dbms output dot put underscore line your cursor name percentage row count, okay, how many rows are getting affected. And next is open cursor attribute, explicit cursor attribute is open. So once open your cursor and do processing your cursor, and after the processing, if you not close the cursor, it will still remain open. Okay, so in the next time you may require to open the same cursor again to do some other processing. Okay, so if you want to do so without closing the previous cursor, means previous processing time, whenever you open that cursor, you not close the cursor and then you can open again the cursor. So in that case Oracle will throw an error, that is cursor already open. So it is a predefined Oracle exception. So Oracle will throw an exception, Oracle that is cursor already open. Okay, so this is the is open, and next is cursor attribute is a percentage, cursor name percentage found and cursor name percentage not found. So this is similar to the implicit cursor. Whenever the cursor is holding records, the cursor name percentage found will be true and cursor name percentage not found will be false. And whenever a cursor select statement holds no rows, in that case cursor name percentage found will be false and cursor name percentage not found will be true. So there are four explicit cursor attributes. I explained each of the attributes, that is cursor name percentage row count, cursor name percentage is open, cursor name percentage found and cursor name percentage not found. And in case of implicit cursor, the attributes are cursor name SQL percentage row count, SQL percentage found and SQL percentage not found. Okay, so these are all the differences between implicit and explicit cursors. I hope you have understand it well, because I cover each and every topic of both of these cursors. Okay, so I not required to write down the points. I have explained each point in detail one by one for each of the implicit or explicit cursors. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial session, and I hope you have understand well what are the differences between implicit and explicit cursors, and you can if you face this question on the interview, you can answer it properly to your interviewer. Okay, so in my tutorial channel you can see there are many videos I uploaded from the very basic level to the advanced level of Oracle different technologies. Just watch all these videos, and after watching, if you have learned something from my video, and if you think this video was useful for you, and if it helped for your learning, just give a like and make the comment, whatever your comment is after watching the video. I need your comment. Your comment is very valuable for me. It will improve the quality of my video. And if you have any doubt after watching the video, you can just write in the comment, or if any question is there, you can just write down the question. If it require any video to make, I will try to make another video on that. Okay, so there are several videos I already uploaded. Just watch all the videos starting from very basic SQL to the SQL, all the parts, different SQL topic videos of different SQL topic from the very basic level to the advanced level. Also videos for Oracle PLSQL programming, very advanced topics. I have already uploaded many videos, as you see in my screen, and I have uploaded videos for database administration also. As you see, these are the database administration, and other videos are also, these are the very much important videos. So I have a series of interview questions and answers, as you see in my screen here. So all these questions uh, I made this video because every interview you can face, any interview you can face these questions, and I tried to explain all these questions and answers in detail with the hands-on practical and implementation. Okay, so watch each video from the start to the end so that you can understand the understand it very well, and you can learn from my video. Okay, so just watch the video, and after watching, if my video add some value to your learning, and if you get learning from my video, you just give a like and also subscribe my channel, hitting the notification bell, so that for the next video you'll get a automatic notification, and you can learn from my video and make your skill. Okay, so also you can share my videos to your friends, colleagues, and whoever known to you throughout the various medias like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and WhatsApp group, so that they can also get this benefit of learning. These are all the free tutorial. I have shared all these videos for your learning and from my experiences, and I have total of 17 years of experiences working with all the Oracle technologies like Oracle SQL, Oracle PLSQL, Oracle database design, architecture, and Oracle database administration, and also Unix shell scripting. Okay, so I have total of 17 years experiences working with many MNC companies, holding many positions, started from Oracle developer to the technical consultant, then team lead, then technical lead, then project lead, then senior system analyst, then project manager. So all this duration I have worked with Oracle and Unix platform, and so I have a total of 17 years of experiences, and in these experiences have gathered I have worked with many projects on Oracle and Unix platform. So that's why whoever just seeking the job, and whoever trying to learn Oracle, who are trying to learn SQL, PLSQL, Unix, and whoever preparing for an interview on Oracle. So Oracle is a very secure database, and very popular database, and it is used by almost all the big, small, medium, and big companies. So there is a huge work in every company with Oracle platform, in the Oracle platform. So there are many there are many positions open in many companies for the database developer, or Oracle developer, or SQL developer, or Oracle database administrator, or Unix positions also there. So if you want to join my online courses, you can join my online courses also. Here is my WhatsApp number, you can see. So I provide training, online interactive training on this all these different technologies, as there are different courses, online courses for this. Complete Oracle SQL course, complete Oracle PLSQL training, complete Oracle database architecture and design training, and complete Oracle database administration training, and Unix shell scripting training. Okay, so I'm a senior consultant right now, and senior Oracle consultant, and also a technical and corporate trainer. I train employees of many MNC companies, and also I am a interviewer. So I also takes interviews for many MNC companies to recruit their candidates or employees. Okay, so this are, and if you want to join my online training sessions, you just go to the about page, and there are my contact details is there, WhatsApp number is there. You can just WhatsApp me to detail information how you can join my online training session. Which training session you want to join, just message me in this number, and also you can email me in this email ID, and there is a small process. I will reply on that email or WhatsApp, yeah, or in WhatsApp, so that you can join immediately after completion of that process. Okay, and you can start immediately your online training classes. Okay, and this will be very much interactive training sessions, and you can ask any questions in the interactive classes, and you can get your reply or answers on the same sessions. Whatever the you have doubt, you can get it clarified and clear. Okay, so that's all that's all for this tutorial session. I hope you have understand all the topic of this today's session, and also if you are interested to join my online training session, you just contact over the number, WhatsApp number or email ID, and as I said, after completion of a small process, you can just start your online training session. Okay, online training classes. Okay, and this will be a very good opportunity for you to make your skill with Oracle different platform. And if you have make your skill your in Oracle platform, and there are various opportunities for various companies, and you will be you will be industry ready for all these positions. Okay, so you so this is very much important courses. All the courses are very much important, and you just message me or email me whatever courses you want to join. And also like my video if you get benefited from my video, if my video add some values to your learning, and if you learn something from my video. Okay, and also I am waiting for I want your comment after watching my video. Just comment below, and that's all. And also subscribe my channel, and also share my video to your friends and colleagues. Okay, so that's all for this session, and thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you. Bye.